look at my mustache and my electronic shirt. That it probably has the schematic for a nuclear warhead. But anyways, I'm gonna demonstrate the workshop number 3. Here I have it, as you can see. But before demonstrating the functionality of this workshop, I'd like to address some errors and kind of a discrepancy found in the schematic provided. So here I have Photoshop open with the original schematic, and as it can be seen, this schematic is intended for outer power source to power the ESP32 via an external power source. So this practice prints to this through the serial monitor in Arduino IDE, and so this either we power the ESP32 via USB cable or by an external source, but it's one or the another one. So let's have that in consideration. If we take out the power source, this will also work. Why? Because when the ESP32 is powered via the USB cable, this VIN, voltage in and ground pins, GPIOs, serves like a output pins. So instead of receiving set 5 volts and ground, these pins will output those 5 volts and ground respectively, thus energizing this part of the protoboard, this upper component of the protoboard, energizing the humidity sensor and the ultrasonic sensor. So we could take out the power source. But anyways, here I have my own implementation of the schematic. I'm energizing I will energize the ESP32 through USB cable, and it will function as the same way because I've already explained it for that reason. And I've bridged here under the power source module. It's bridged all the way from this protoboard to this other protoboard. Here I didn't make the connection in this part to this one, connecting the adjacent protoboard parts, but this also will be energized. And here I've added a blue LED and a 10K resistor. Why? Well, let's go to the Arduino IDE. Here I have in the old and reliable GPIO 15, and I've set it as an output pin. Initially I set it low. And why? Well, I want the workshop to the construction of the workshop to function like this LED will blink every sorry, I moved the camera there. I want this LED to blink every iteration of the loop here after the delay, and I will set it high for a fraction of a second and then set it low. Why? I am indicating that at this point the humidity sensor and the ultrasonic sensor will take the measures, will take a capture for will measure what they are intended for. Can be confusing, but anyways, here I have a ruler. Why? To measure the length of the ultrasonic sensor. So I'm gonna place it right here. There we go. And I'm gonna set it about there. There's the 0 there, and I'm gonna place the ESP32 that you first asked us to buy, but that we are going to use. No, it's okay, I'm not hurt, and my wallet could be hurt, but I'm okay. So I'm gonna place it about 15 centimeters apart from, well, no, 10 centimeters, 7 centimeters from the ultrasonic sensor. Here we go. And I'm going in Arduino IDE once again, and I'm gonna plug the USB cable. As you can see, it's not power on, but I'm gonna power on right now. Without the serial monitor, you can already see that the LED is blinking every once in a while, but I'm gonna have it in reset mode until I open the serial monitor. Here we have it. Gonna let go the button, and there we go. Okay, it's taking measures. It's blinking every time a measure is taken. Here I've already made a custom output. I'm indicating the interval between the captures. Every 2 seconds a capture is taken, and here it's indicating that it's at 11 centimeters of the ultrasonic sensor. Perhaps the model is not that accurate, but it's okay. It's not that far from the real measure, what it should be measuring in reality. I'm gonna set it back, and it's taking that distance. I think because of the length of the ESP32, of this ESP32, it's not an accurate measure. I'm gonna hold it right here at about 5 centimeters. There we go. 4 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters, and again 5 centimeters. It's okay, it's working okay. We can expect that much accuracy from such a tiny module. But anyways, here in the background, it's now taking my other electronic component box. It has that range. It has a good range. About the DHT11, it's just like a special guest here. It's not like the special module this time. But as we can see, we can in the serial monitor, it outputs that in my room I have about 25% of humidity. It's about 30 degrees Celsius. Well, yeah, that would be all. The video took way longer than I expected, but you have to see it, teacher. Please. But anyways, thank you.